What is up, everyone? Today is Monday, August the 10th, and we're excited to be back. The weekend was good. Spent a lot of time with family and just friends and catching up, and I'm happy Monday is here. Account summary: our balance is only at $60.80. We have about $600 drawdown. For full transparency, we've had this XFA for a little over a month now. We started July 9th. We still have the same one, and we've been grinding this. The last two sessions we hit our PDLL of 350, and yeah, we're gonna try to have a good day today. Mondays historically have been good except for that one Monday last week, so hopefully we can start the week off right today. Looking at the market, we see this is the overnight low. The VWAP is right there. Market is trading below the VWAP. Overnight highs right here. Kind of a consolidation right here on the 1 minute chart. Right here acting as a support level, resistance level right here. No true direction of anything, so we're just gonna wait and see. Hope you guys had a good weekend. um yeah, man, just we're just grinding, really. um we've had this XFA for so long, which is good because we don't want to be burning money on combines. So the longevity of this account saves you money. Even though we haven't gotten a cash out yet on this account, we're not burning money, which is key. So let's see what goes down. Bell opens in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shazam! Yeah, I hope you guys had a good weekend, man. The first candle, we just kind of watch. Oh, I just had a big stretch. We just watch and see what happens. Remember, our style of trading is very particular to the first couple minutes and the first half hour. We don't trade anything after and beyond 9 a.m. We stop at 9, always do, no matter what's going on. Our PDLL is at 350. So remember, even if we're having a losing day, we don't always have to hit it. We can stop before that too. That's just in place so we don't blow our account. But we don't have to reach that if we're having a negative day. We can always stop before. And I'm slowly learning that too. So a big part about being a better trader is learning risk management every single day, right? So, all right. So candle number one opens up. The 9 EMA is above the 21 EMA. Just gonna wait for this candle to close and then see what's going on. I'm just eating my oats and a banana. When a market is going back and forth like this, right? I just like to scalp, but there's no real direction yet of anything, no conviction of anything. The 21 EMA is still holding below the 9 EMA, but the VWAP is still showing a bearish market because it's trading below that. So we wait. If this passes the EMAs, I think it has some momentum to go down. But let's just see how this candle closes. We might have to just be super snipe mode today because the looks of this, it's just a lot of back and forth right now without really any conviction on either side. So unless we see a big break here and a move up to the overnight high and towards the VWAP, just make sure we're connected accounts. Here we are. Okay, if this candle closes green with some conviction, some volume, then at the same time, if it gets up here, we can probably scalp on a pullback, to be honest with you. So let's see what happens here. It's very, very important. Very, very important. Remember, we're not going to get greedy today. We're going to take our money and run, whatever the case may be. We're going to take it and run far, far away today. We're not going to go in for 2 trades, 3 trades. We're going to take it and run. Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, so, you know, everything was trading below the VWAP, okay? The first couple candles kind of stalled out here, and this might be the breakthrough down. Maybe it'll fall through below the overnight low and keep falling. Or maybe this could act as a support level, but I don't think so. I think it's going to keep dipping. Which, look at it go. But is it going to keep on dipping? That's the question. Let's wait for this candle to close. Just close, okay. I think it pulls back up here, we can probably scalp, to be honest. So we're going to do that if it pulls up. Over there-ish. Oh, we missed it. We had a nice scalp opportunity there, I think. Right, okay, we got a pretty good spot there. As long as it doesn't go up too much, we can probably... I mean, I think we got a good spot on the sell, but obviously, unless it drops back down, we're gonna get out of this. I'm gonna see how this candle closes. We don't want to risk too much because our PDLL is okay. We're gonna get out of that. Well, that kind of sucks. Okay. So this kind of did act as a support, but it did break through. I thought it was going to break down, to be honest. So now we just watch again. Minimize this for a second, see what's going on here. 830. Drop. Now it's making momentum up. That's funny because if we did that's the pullback to go back down. Seems like it. If that's the case, I'm just gonna sell, to be honest. Give me a sell opportunity if I hit my DLL. That is what it is. Yeah. I'm gonna go down to 1 contract maybe here, or 2. feel like I know direction of the trend. The market is heading bearish. Maybe I should have just held that longer. I closed out of it though. I don't know. Let's go down to 2 micros instead. Oh, I should have just held. If I had just held it. Now we wait, I guess. When I shorted that opportunity, right, I knew it was going down. I should have just held it. Instead, I panicked here and I exited out. But obviously, the direction is pretty clear. So, if you know, can I change this? I'm gonna change this because whatever. If I blow my account, I blow my account. I'm not gonna blow my account though, because I know the direction this is moving in. So we're just gonna change to 500. This is because guys, what am I supposed to do here? I don't know. I don't really have much drawdown left, but I feel like I know the direction of where we're going. Okay, so I did change my daily loss limit to 500 because I went to short, right? I went to hold on to the short. Okay, I went to short and I went to hold on to the short. And we're gonna just hold this. Why is my thing lagging? I gotta refresh this. Everything's frozen, which is so stupid. This always happens. There we go. Okay, we're only in for 3 contracts here. Oh, 2 contracts, I mean. This is so frustrating right now, honestly. But we're gonna hold that. We're gonna hold it. We changed this to 2 micros because even 3 micros was too bad, but today we have to recognize that the trading day is not very good. So honestly. I do think it's going to continue dropping, but if I get to like, yeah, fuck, like, yeah, we're done. We're gonna stop here. This is such fucking trash today. I can't believe this stupid bullshit. I'm pissed. This is so annoying. So tomorrow I mean, it's just, I don't even know what to say. This is terrible, dude. Now, all of a sudden it's, breaking. Excuse me. Opened up here, we went below the overnight low, came back. This acted kind of as a resistance, dropped, and this is going to drop again. It could, or let's see how this one closes. We're kind of in a weird position. We only have 200 drawdown left on this account, which I've been grinding, by the way, for a very long time. And we only have, you know what I mean? So yeah. Let's put in a buy there. And let's see some traction. We see a nice pump up. Which we will slide this up to here, so we're guaranteed something. Hopefully this just goes up a little bit more. You're gonna take this 86 bucks, which is fine. That was a nice little thingy-majig there. That was only 2 micros, which was nice. So the market is heading towards the VWAP, right? VWAP is over here. The EMEs are kind of close to each other here. If we can make some money on a pullback and just get in, that'd be nice, even if it's, you know, wait for a pullback, see how this closes. It's a bit of a pullback. Let's see. We got some room here. That's nice, right? Let's take that for 100. If it gets to 100, we'll take that. Not too bad. We're down 249. Not terrible. And look at, it's a good thing we didn't get greedy, right? Because look at, I went back down. So after a couple losing trades, I think we've bounced back quite nicely. Remember, we don't want to trade beyond and past 9. So 8:30 market opens, right? Since about 8:41, last 10 minutes is making a nice climb up. A 30-minute chart. Still in a bit of a bearish trend, right? A minute chart. You know what? I'm just gonna lock myself out because I'm not feeling this shit today, man. To be honest, I'm not feeling it. So we lock out. And yeah, that's it. We locked out. Can't trade no more. It is what it is. 249 on 4 trades, but we did recognize and we didn't hit. Well, I moved my PDLL up to 500, but then I recognized, and I got some back, and then I recognized that it's not a good day and we're locking out now. So really we lost 249 today, which still is not good, but we still have a drawdown of about 188, 288, 384, 85, about $400. So tomorrow we can still get it back. I'm not worried. But yeah, we're just trying to manage risk to the best of our abilities, man. Love y'all. Bye bye.